This is Project Evergreen, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Evergreen is painted in full gloss volcanic satin moss green with black accents. Evergreen sits on 20-inch Cairn retro Mondale wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage with rear ladder, 4 LED round spotlights up front and 2 in the rear, a tubular front bumper with 1 winch, and black steering guard. Inside, Evergreen features an ECD custom Momo Prototipio steering wheel with autocross yellow gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 2 inward-facing benches in the rear. Each seat is finished in a black horizontal stitch Cadence Spice and Cadence Licorice leather. This 110 is powered by our LS3 Plus 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.